Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brian and today I want to share my settings for the Canon M50. If you're like me and you have a job and you don't have much time to color correct and then color grade your footage, I discovered that I have some settings in this camera, this little guy, the M50, that might be helpful for you. So the first thing you have to do is turn on your camera, then press the menu button, and then find the screen with the camera, which is the camera settings. Go to the screen number 3 on that and scroll down to picture style. When you click on that, then you're gonna define either user define 1, 2, or 3. You have 3 options after the pre-selected menu is in there. Let's go for number 3. You click on that, by default it is in auto. Then you're gonna hit on info detail set. Then on the top of the screen it says picture style. Select that one more time, and then let's go for the neutral. In this case, it's a baseline. Select the neutral, and we're gonna modify a couple of things in there. Go down to the strength, and then increase the strength to 2 in this case. Set OK, and then the contrast, bring it all the way down to -7, I believe that's what it is. Set OK. That's all you have to do. If you want to see how this looks like, hey, I'm gonna link my vlogging videos in here. You can see it. I do have a full-time job, so I just do this in my spare time, usually before I start working or at the end of the night, especially when vlogging. And I just want something that is simple. I don't want to spend hours and hours trying to color correct and then color grade something. I do not use LUTs, so I kind of do everything manually. As opposed as the preset that Canon has already installed in your little M50, this one is a little bit less contrasty, so you can add a little bit of contrast later on in post. I hope this was helpful. Also, feel free to like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. See you guys on the next one. I hope you guys like it. Bye.